Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jesse, the Couch Movie Critic, and today we're doing another very quick and easy unboxing. Posted this up on Patreon. This is coming soon. You know, I just finished Bayonetta. Now I'm starting on Bayonetta, or Bayonetta 3, better said, and now I'm working on Bayonetta Origins. And I said, you know what? It's about time I got myself hands on a copy of the anime by Funimation, Bayonetta Bloody Fate. So here it is. Got it. Ordered it through Amazon. It is a Blu-ray plus DVD. Doesn't come with a digital copy, but still wanted to add it to the collection because I do love all things Bayonetta. So I wanted to share a quick unboxing with you guys. Before I get started, as always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to reach out to me on the social medias as well as on my Patreon, patreon.com/Jesse the Couch Movie Critic. Let's go ahead. Let's jump right into it. And let's go ahead here, and we're going to take a quick look at it. Obviously, it's in a shrink wrap, so it kind of dulls the image a little bit, but you'll see a little better when we take it out here in a second. Great shot of Bayonetta, specifically being exact Bayonetta as she appears in Bayonetta 1, because this film did actually come out a couple years ago. Great image of her there. Scarborough Fair, the gun she uses in Bayonetta 1, the Bayonetta logo, Bloody Faith, Funimation, DVD, plus Blu-ray. Take a look here on the side real quick. We got a same little bit of artwork of her there. Bayonetta Bloody Fate, feature film, and then the DVD logos and whatnot. On the back here, we see here an amazing game-to-film adaptation by Kotaku from the cutting-edge studio behind Afro Samurai. Based on a best-selling franchise, this pulse-pounding feature-length anime shows you a side of Bayonetta you've never seen before. 20 years after awakening, the hottest witch in gaming history is still searching for clues that could help unravel the mysteries of her dark past. Aided in her quest by the clandestine weaponsmith Rodin and his deadly creation, Scarborough Fair, Bayonetta continues to leave a trail of angel corpses in her wake. Her search for answers leads to encounter with a mysterious and eerily familiar little girl, a vengeance-obsessed journalist, and a deadly white-haired beauty that seems to know more about Bayonetta than the witch herself. Fans of the franchise won't want to miss the chance to see their favorite fantasy come to life in a killer flick packed with mind-blowing action and scandalous scenes of seduction. Don't let it fool you, it's not that scandalous. Some great shots here let you know that it featured content includes actors' commentary, storyboards, and trailers. And I know I pronounced it Rodin. I know in the games, depending which one, it's Rodin. Deep on that I, but it is what it is. There's his specs as well too, so don't kill me too much for mispronouncing his name. Let's go ahead here. Let's pop it open. Let me grab the knife here, and we'll get started here to pop it open. I know, not my trusty little orange blade. It's one of my other blue ones. Let's go ahead and pop it open and take a look and see what it comes with. Let's go ahead here. Pop that open. That goes off to the side. Open it up. Boom. And there we go. Very simple, very easy, but actually nicer than some of the other Blu-rays we've seen out there. On the right-hand side, we have Bayonetta Bloody Fate, the feature film, as you saw, perfectly standing inside of the disc holder, even though that was not something I did. And it's got a nice little bit of blue touch here. On the left-hand side, we've got the DVD copy. Same thing, Bayonetta Bloody Film, feature film, DVD, feature. And then on the backside, we also have a nice little piece of artwork. Let's take a look. Let me see what this looks like here. And oh, nice. It's not like a PlayStation or a PS5 game where it's a alternate cover. This is almost like a poster that you could take out. We've got a nice image of the moon here. We've got some of the angels. I won't go too deep for those of you that haven't played Bayonetta 1 or seen the film on who the rest of the characters are, but obviously we've got Bayonetta, we've got the mysterious young lady, the journalist, and the white-haired woman, the Bayonetta logo, and the great drawings here of Scarborough Fair, the gun she uses in Bayonetta 1. Really cool. If you haven't played the games or seen the film, you guys got to do all of the above. The games are fantastic. They've been reissued on the Switch. You can get 1 and 2 together on a cartridge with a downloader. You can buy them independently. Bayonetta 3 has come out, and now Bayonetta Origins just released not too long ago. But this is a nice touch. I had to add it to complete the collection. Glad I did, because I'm looking forward to seeing it. And Bella's getting a little older now, so maybe soon she'll be able to watch it. I got to rewatch it. I remember how scandalous. I don't remember it being, you know, hentai, but it might not be something I'm ready for the 12-year-old to watch just yet. But there you go, guys. There is the unboxing of Bayonetta Bloody Fate. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Reach out to me on the socials, as well as Jesse, the Couch Movie Critic, on Patreon.com. Again, Patreon.com/Jesse, the Couch Movie Critic. Thanks, as always, and have a great night.